Today I will show you how to draw 3 birds and an insect using the letter 2. Now let's start. This is duck. First you write 2 like this way. Now half circle. Don't join the portion. Make a eye. Beak. Neck. Now the wings of the back portion and another line, and now join it. The duck is ready. Now the duck is swimming in the pond. Next one is the crane. Now draw the 2 like this shape. Don't join the full portion. Make a eyes. Long beak of the crane. Neck. And join it. Now wings. 2 long legs. Legs look like 4. The crane is standing on a field. Now I will show you how to draw a peacock. Write 2 like this way. Make head, eye, beak, neck, then the wings. Join it. Draw the body and legs. Complete the legs. Now make the tail of the peacock. The peacock is also standing on a land. Now I am drawing the snail. Snail. Draw 2 like this pattern. Join the full. Make like circle. Eyes. Mouth. Head. Join it. Now make a pattern of spiral shape. Join it. The snail is ready. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.